Start. Statutory procedure is prescribed for holding the inquiry in departmental matters. Full stop. Principle of natural justice have to be followed even if there are no rules prescribing any such procedure. Full stop. The inquiry starts after issuance of charge sheet in which charges are mentioned, which should be clear and unambiguous. Full stop. If the petitioner requires the copies of any document and makes an application in that behalf, the inquiry officer shall consider the application of the petitioner for supply of documents, and after being satisfied about the relevancy of such documents, he shall supply the copies of such documents to the petitioner, and in case it is not practically possible for any valid reason to supply the copy of any such document, he may allow inspection of such document to the petitioner by fixing date, time and place for such inspection. Full stop. The inquiry officer shall ensure free access to the petitioner to such documents which are to be inspected by the petitioner. Full stop. After gathering such information, reply is submitted to the charge sheet. Full stop. On receipt of reply of the charge sheet, the inquiry officer has to fix date, time and place for holding inquiry, for which formally the department is to give one opportunity first, to lead evidence wherein the delinquent is also permitted to remain present, who is given opportunity to cross-examine the witnesses, if any examined, and also to rebut the documentary evidence. Full stop. Thereafter, a date is to be fixed by the inquiry officer to allow adducing of evidence by the delinquent, if he so desires, which may be oral as well as documentary. Full stop. It is thereafter that the inquiry officer, after hearing the parties, records his finding on the basis of the evidence which is collected during the inquiry, and inquiry report is submitted by the inquiry officer to the disciplinary authority. Full stop. Disciplinary authority has to see whether procedure in holding inquiry has been followed or not, and if not, then the matter need to remit to the inquiry officer to rectify the mistake. But during the inquiry, if he finds that all required procedure has been followed and inquiry has been held following the principles of natural justice, then he would see whether charge stands proved on the basis of material collected or brought before the inquiry officer. Full stop. If the disciplinary authority is satisfied with the report of the inquiry officer, he will pass final orders after affording opportunity to the delinquent. Full stop. In the light of the above, this court is of the opinion that impugned order dated 26/5/2018 is illegal and arbitrary and is accordingly quashed. Full stop. The amount of deduction made from the pension of the pensioner is liable to be refunded within 6 weeks from the date of production of certified copy of this order before the competent authority, along with interest at the rate of 6% from the date of deduction till the amount is refunded to the petitioner. Full stop.